I'm going to be taking you through the complete rebuild from start to finish on my 2022 Toyota 4Runner. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, you may or may not know that this car was purchased for my dad Fix-A-Cardi, for his retirement. I know he has always been a fan of these Toyotas, so I wanted to find a totaled one that him and I could rebuild together. As eventually I did win a bid on this particular one from Copart salvage auction. And here she is, all busted, but still beautiful, as long as you can visualize the end result. Now, I don't have much history on this car besides the fact that I could see it was hit pretty good, and we are within millimeters of having engine damage. Luckily, that was not the case. The entire rad support and front end is completely totaled, and just about every single airbag has blown off inside of this car, with the exception of the passenger knee airbag and passenger side dash airbag. You may be wondering to yourself what actually caused this accident. While I don't have a 100% sure answer, I suspect the previous owner hit a deer, as I found a ton of hairs in all the nooks and crannies underneath this car. Well, that's enough talking for me, guys. So sit back, grab a snack, and enjoy the ride as Dad Fix-A-Cardi and I rebuild this 2022 Toyota 4Runner from start to finish. Show Dad Fix-A-Cardi some love and give him a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, guys. What do you suspect as the reason this car was totaled? Well, here she is, guys, 100% restored and looking incredible. Take a good look and let me know in the comments what you guys think of this rebuild. And also let me know what you guys think the insurance company estimated the total cost of repair would be on this particular build. Thank you guys for watching. If you love watching cars get rebuilt, check out my other videos where I rebuilt my Subaru STI as well as my Subaru WRX. And make sure you hit that subscribe button because we're going to keep modifying and building cars on this channel and you don't want to miss out. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.